No real high priced item. Welcome to Matt's Profit Pursuit. I'm Matt. I'm a part-time reseller. I source the Goodwill bins and I sell on eBay. And I make what sold videos so you know what's selling right now on eBay. And I break down each sale so you can see exactly what to expect after cost of goods, taxes, and fees are taken out of the sales. Here are my current numbers and my weekly payout. My 90-day total is $8,805.76. I have 913 active listings. 318 have sold in the last 90 days, and I have $114.04 pending. My payout for this week was $265.68. I have 7 orders shipping out today and 1 pending that I pulled just in case it comes through. Let's see what sold. The Angels hat. I got this because it has like a college mascot on it as well. Fullerton College. So I thought it would do better, but it sat for a while, so I took an offer. I paid 25 cents for this hat and it sold for $7.99, free shipping. The buyer is all in at $8.75, minus 76 cents for the sales tax, $1.38 for the transaction fee, $4.20 for the shipping label, and $1.18 for the ad fee. That leaves me with $1.23. These Vans shorts, like a chino style, long shorts. I paid $1.29 for these shorts and they sold for $14.99, free shipping. The buyer is all in at $16.04, minus $1.05 for the sales tax, $2.28 for the transaction fee, and $6.60 for the shipping label. That leaves me with $6.11. An overtime hoodie. This was my son's. So it's actually a good graphic on it. This hoodie sold for $30 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $41.10, minus $2.10 for the sales tax, $5.38 for the transaction fee, and $8.30 for the shipping label. That leaves me with $25.32. This Leonardo, still in the package. It's damaged, but it's still got the card. I paid $5 for this figure at a retail thrift store and it sold for $25 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $34.15, minus $2.60 for the sales tax, $4.52 for the transaction fee, $6.60 for the shipping label, and $4.10 for the ad fee. That leaves me with $16.33. Converse 70s, the 70th anniversary Converse All-Star, if you didn't know. They make them look like these. These are actual vintage All-Stars. So this has the blue label, these ones have black label on the back. They try to make them look like these ones. I paid $2.41 for these Converse and they sold for $22.75, free shipping. The buyer is all in at $22.75, minus $3.11 for the transaction fee and $8.30 for the shipping label. That leaves me with $11.34. A couple mugs. They are Project 62. I'm guessing it's a Target brand. Just some cream colored mugs. We bought like 5 or 6 sets of dishes, plates, and then the smaller plates in those mugs. And we didn't want those mugs, so I'm selling them. And these sold for $18.99 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $39.64, minus $1.70 for the sales tax, $5.20 for the transaction fee, and $15.02 for the shipping label. That leaves me with $17.72. This Mercedes emblem, just recently listed a few days ago. So it sold pretty quick. I just Google Lensed it to try to figure out exactly which one it is, which part number, so I hope it's right. I paid 60 cents for this emblem and it sold for $27.99, free shipping. The buyer is all in at $30.58, minus $2.59 for the sales tax, $3.77 for the transaction fee, and $4.88 for the shipping label, and that leaves me with $19.34. I did receive positive feedback for this Mercedes-Benz hood ornament, so I think we're good. And then the order that's pending is these Olukai flip-flops. It's a good brand. The Mally Hook is the logo. decent. Took an offer on these. I paid $1.30 for these, and they sold for $14.59 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $22.62 minus $138 for the sales tax, $309 for the transaction fee, and $678 for the shipping label. That leaves me with $11.37. So my total sales is $162.03. After fees, it's $108.76. Minus the cost of goods, which is $10.85, I'm left with $97.91. I take 25% of that number and put it aside for taxes, so I'm left with $73.44. No real high-priced item. My son's sweatshirt I sold for $30, so that kind of saved the day. But every little bit adds up, and I'm fine with the sales I got. I'm running a 30% off sale right now, and I'm taking offers, just trying to flip things quick and make some money. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this where I break down each sale so you know how much you can make off of eBay. God bless. Peace.